Johanna.
Hey guys, today's video is the last part in my 15-minute journal challenge series. So this series was all about taking 15 minutes or less per page and just doing something. It doesn't have to be perfect, but putting a new idea to each page and spending very little time and very little supplies on that page. So the last page idea I have today is to use sticky notes on a journal page, and all I'm doing is taking some sticky notes and sticking them on my page. That is literally all there is to it. You can obviously come up with something a little bit more exciting than what I have done, but I thought it was kind of cool to use sticky notes and to use them as a tool to divide up my thoughts. And so by sticking them across a page and then using each one to journal about something different. Obviously you can do whatever you want. You don't have to do the exact same thing that I'm doing, but I thought it would be cool to do like a list on each sticky note. I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with for this prompt or this simple page idea, because I think some of you are going to have more exciting ideas than what I've had, but I wanted to show you that even by keeping things as simple as they can possibly be, you're still adding something to your journal that is special, meaningful, and worth doing. You don't have to have an hour. You don't have to have special supplies. You don't have to have stickers, washi tape, pens, paints. You don't have to have vintage ephemera. You don't have to have photos. If you take one thing, just one thing from that list, you can create a page with it. You don't need to use all of them together, and you don't need to spend hours doing it and making it perfect. That's really the heart behind this whole entire series, just to show you that by going back to the most basic, simple thing and just taking one idea or taking one supply, you can still keep a creative journal and you can make it special. And you can make it special and tailored to you and to your life. And in the end, you'll have something that is special. You'll have a journal that is full of you and your life. Even though we're all doing the same ideas, they're all going to come out differently. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this series. I know the videos were super short, but I just really wanted to show you how simple this can be. And yeah, I've really loved seeing how all of your pages have come together. I've also really enjoyed filling up my own journal and getting some of those pages finished. It feels really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're all doing really well, and I will see you in my next video.